Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk how to use TikTok on PC, web browser, laptop or computer. If you found this video, please give me a subscribe and like to this video. There are so many people who have no idea to use TikTok on web browser or PC laptop. I'll be showing you easy steps to use your TikTok account on your web browser, PC, laptops without installing any software. So let's begin. First of all, go to your Google, then type TikTok. So after opening the TikTok, you can see the first option, make your day TikTok. Tap on that. After tapping on TikTok, you can see the trending videos on the top. This is the overall view of TikTok account where you will find the trending videos on the top one, and you can see I have logged into my account. For logging in, you need email, phone number, or even you can log in to your account by using Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram account. These were some steps. And when you open to this account, for example, let's go to our profile and let's view how it looks like. Click on view profile. Use TikTok almost same as if it was on your mobile phone. It's so really easy using your TikTok account by using from your web browser, or you can use your TikTok account through websites. You don't need to install any software. See, I have 0 following, 0 follower, 0 like and no bio. Till now I have not added anything. It was just for showing you guys in order to log in. Even you can see for you following, even you can go live through this account, and you can upload videos as well. Even you can text, comment and like the videos. You can upload videos from here like this. Click on it, select the video from your file, then add the captions, write the description and select these requirements as per your requirements and click on post. This is an easy method to post video from your web browser. Next that you can do from TikTok account is you can send message to your following or follower as well. So this is how you can send message from TikTok web. Even you can see inbox, whom you have liked, comment, mentions, followers and many more activities. These were some basic setting and basic information about TikTok using from your web browser, which I have discussed. So thank you so much for watching our videos. Hope this video helped you a lot. Guys, do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.